Hi! In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this tablet. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to access additional settings. Now click on Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Lastly, select Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to Auto Correction. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!